Well, nothing says summer like a ceiling fan lazy circling above your head. It's hard to describe the feeling of cooling down and relaxing under a great and functional ceiling fan, a saving grace during the warmer months. In fact, ceiling fans are a great addition during the cooler seasons too. However, if you search for the best ceiling fan, make sure you end up with a top quality product. Whether you're looking for a ceiling fan for the first time or thinking about replacing or upgrading an old fan, everything you need to know about ceiling fans is right here. Our research team has included a diverse range of products to ensure that all your needs are addressed. Please take a look at our picks for the best ceiling fans as we give you the list of what you should look for when buying, what features you should consider, and how to use your fan in winter. So join us as we introduce them one by one. Let's get started. The first on our list is the Mainstay 42 Hugger Metal Indoor Ceiling Fan. It comes with a single light glass globe, perfectly matched with the 42 inches span of blades. The bulb is medium in size and a standard A-type that you can easily buy at any store near you. Each of the 4 blades are reversible. You can see a different look every time you do cleaning. You just have to flip to the other side, then you will have a new view. It is a recommendable addition to rooms that have a low ceiling. It's not advisable for younger kids because of the 2 pull chains that make for a pretty easy grab. We know witty kids can make everything turn upside down. The perfect area to put this up are the first things we need to consider. If you have homeschooled kids, they will have excellent study sessions because it's a quiet piece and pleasing to the ears as it runs. You won't be disturbed by an irritating sound, I assure you. It can also be an added accent in a modern type of home because of its neat soft white color. Whatever shade you choose to have in an area, it can bring a wonderful space for your daily family activities. Remember, to prevent the fan from wobbling, it should be correctly mounted and assembled up there. You don't have to worry because it has a step-by-step instructions along with the package. In just 15 to 20 minutes, they're up and running smoothly. The second on our list is the Better Homes Gardens 52 White 3-Light 5-Blade Ceiling Fan. Are you still thinking about what to add to your luxurious living area? I advise you to look closely at this grand masterpiece from Better Homes. I admire how they conceptualize this to become the queen in any spacious area in your home. It comes with 52 inches long, adorable 5 blades. It has 3 light bulbs that can surely provide bright lighting to a big nook. Whenever you need to throw small gatherings in your home, you no longer have to worry about getting additional light. It is also very convenient to install. You can do it in 3 different ways. You can do it in a standard way, which is very common to most ceiling fans. You can also try the close and the angled position, whichever will look best. I suggest switching the blade shades once in a while so that you can see the difference between the light grey and dark side. If you're into wood settings, you can also get the satin nickel and bronze. This one is a fabulous combination, specifically for people who love ancient materials for decoration. Aside from getting an elegant view, of course, I want to highlight the durability of this one-of-a-kind product. These come to you with a limited lifetime warranty. I can guarantee that you will be getting a superb piece for your home that will last for generations. So, did you find your preferred ceiling fan from our first 2 featured products? They both offer a wide array of features to consider. If not, oh, keep watching as we reveal 3 more for you. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload a new product review. Now, let's continue on our list. The third on our list is the Mainstays 44 White Hugger Ceiling Fan 5-Blade. If you're looking for a trendy look in your living area, this could be a necessary purchase to complement the accessories that you already have. These types of ceiling fans are created not just to provide air and light. It can also create a cool effect on your house arrangements. Its glamorous 5 blades will suit your traditional classic theme. It also has ample illumination with the E26A15 LED bulbs. It is also widely available from the local stores in your city. You will have an easy time navigating its speed settings using the 3-pull chain. It is the big point we have here. The ability to manipulate the fan with less effort is the #1 factor. I know you'll agree with me when I say that if you have small babies right now, your every movement is a kind of gift. Also, this set worked perfectly well in a white housing finish, highly recommendable for areas that accept guests now and then. Like, for example, in the receiving area, or most widely known as the living area. This part of the house is a place where guests come in and stay longer to share things. Ask your partner or a friend to help you set up this ceiling fan because it requires a bit of drilling up there. I can testify that it is indeed easy to assemble and put up the cover. The fourth item that we have is incredible. It is a 52-inch ceiling fan with LED light 3 reversible blades. These are for you men out there. I am pretty sure that you need an airflow that can match your setup in your home office. I highly recommend this for your workplace because of its outstanding quality. It was on the list of UL certificates. The material used for the fan blades is ABS. It is widely known for sturdiness and has been a better choice over plywood blades. It is made of steel and created for your masculine image, finishing it with nickel. It has been tested for its flawless performance while keeping it in shape without deformation at all. For you guys working long hours, this is a must-have for you because it uses a 15-watt LED light. We all know it saves you a lot with your electricity bill compared to non-LED lights. It comes with a handy remote control, so you can adjust the speed to high, medium, and low effortlessly. It will be an added convenience for you in your cozy corner. What about changing the direction of the fan? Well, this is what the silicon steel AC motor has to offer. You can choose either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, providing your place an essential breath of fresh air. It is a perfect catch for newly built homes, especially for solar-ready areas. Mostly high urbanized communities are now switching to a lesser carbon footprint. It is why this is a big thumbs up from us. 4 down and 1 more to go. Please check out our other videos because you might find another exciting product to buy. You can also recommend this video to your friends and family to help them with their buying decision. Let's continue. The fifth on our list is the Hunter 44 Dempsey low profile with a light, fresh white ceiling fan. Now this is for you, parents. Maintaining the cleanliness and awesomeness of the whole house can be very daunting at times. It hurts inside when we see things not in order or just full of mess. But it also makes us happy when we see a space that has a quiet, relaxing ambiance. With all the things going on around us, it is advisable to create a place that makes us healthy in body and mind. Delight yourself with these stunning pieces in your kitchen. You can set it up on your dining table, in the kids' room, and even in your reading area. Why not? With proper lighting and continuous air flowing around, you can finish your work in no time. You will fall in love with these 4 fresh white and blonde oak reversible composite blades. Any decoration you have in an area can add bright touches to this piece. Whatever theme you have in mind, this fan is a plus factor for you. At a very reasonable price, you can afford to get 5 sets for the whole house. It is easy to achieve that peaceful environment. A small thing, but can create an impact on your well-being. You need a few minutes of rest before running again for the day's errands. Or just by starting your day and writing your goals with a cup of coffee. Shade yourself under this fan, and it's already a gift to start a productive day. And there you have it. I hope this video will be your last stop before you decide to invest in a ceiling fan for your home. If you have decided on a product purchase, look at the description below to get further product information and get the best offers. If you find our content inadequate somehow, then write a comment to point out some missing information. The research team will greatly appreciate that, for them to have better output in the future. Before leaving, may we remind you to please click the bell icon for immediate channel updates. Thanks a lot for the time. Till next time.